So I was just doing my NCRT and there was a doubt.
Okay, okay. Tell me, what is your doubt? Tell me.
So in exercise 1.3,
Okay,
so I had doubt in question number one's uh, part part four.
okay. So tell me what is the question? Okay, what is the question?
Make the
Mhm.
correct statements by filling in the symbols, subset
Okay,
or not a subset in the blank spaces.
okay,
X is such that X is a circle in the plane
okay.
blank.
Uh-huh.
X is X such that X is a circle in the
Uh-huh.
same plane with radius 1 unit.
Uh-huh.
तो सर ये सबसेट है कि नहीं है?
सबसेट होगा ना. सबसेट क्या है देखो. एक सेट है आपके पास कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल सर्कल्स. यस.
यस सर.
और दूसरा सेट क्या है आपके पास? कलेक्शन ऑफ सर्कल्स
नहीं
विद
सर, रेडियस 1 unit.
yes radius 1 unit. So its collection of circles is superset of given set. Yes, let's say your set is what, one set is your x such that x is what, collection of all circles. Yes, yes Prahlad.
Yes sir. Sir, but
Of all,
in the answer it say it is not a subset.
no, 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 no. Let's discuss. What's the question? Actual question is maybe uh, x is collection of all circle and b set is collection of all circle in same
With the
plane. Yes,
radius 1 unit.
yeah, collection of all circle with 1 unit radius.
तो सर हमें
Circle with,
बताना है कि ए सबसेट है बी का कि नहीं है.
नहीं ए सबसेट नहीं होगा, बी सबसेट होगा.
ठीक है सर. और सर
क्यों सबसेट होगा?
सेकंड.
एक सेकंड समझ आ रहा है क्यों सबसेट होगा? क्योंकि देखो
यस
एक
सर.
तो कह रहा है कि आपके पास प्लेन में सारे सर्कल, और दूसरा कह रहा है कि आपके पास बी सेट ऐसा है जिसमें रेडियस 1 के सर्कल है. यस, तो रेडियस 1
यस
के
सर.
सर्कल तो यहाँ पे भी होंगे ऑफ फोकल्स में, तो बी आपका सबसेट होगा. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्रहलाद.
ओके सर. The question is x is such that x is a
हाँ,
triangle in a plane
ओके.
blank. X is such that x is a rectangle in the plane.
फर्स्ट सेट इज एक्स इज ए ट्राइंगल
Yeah, tri-
एंड सेकंड सेट इज
x is such that x is a rectangle in the plane.
ओके. सो क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, which one is subset?
The, no sir, A is the subset of B.
No, no. Why? Because A is set
Okay.
of triangles and B is set of rectangles. Yes.
Yes sir.
So if you choose any point, any element of this set, that element is a triangle. Yes.
Yes sir.
And we know B is what? B is set of rectangles. So triangle does not belongs to set B. Yes.
Yes sir.
Because B is what? B is subset of rectangles. It's not a collection of triangles. So any triangle does not belongs to set B. It means what? A is not a subset of B. Okay.
Okay sir.
Next one.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay. All the doubts.
Thank you sir.
Okay, bro. Niket, Ayush, and Nikit, Ayush, and Anirudh from previous class or DPP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's start today's lecture. So today, first of all, we discuss about Venn diagram for your unions, intersection, and difference of sets. Okay. Now, let's say if we have A set and B set, okay, and let's say U is your universal set. So what will be the Venn diagram for union? Venn diagram for union is your universal set and not rectangles. Yes, and A and B are what? A and B are two sets. Let us assume they are not disjoint. What is the meaning of disjoint? Let's say they are not equal to empty sets. Yes, they are not disjoint. Okay. If they are not disjoint, then it means they will integer. Yes or no? Yes. So this is your set A. This is your set B. So A union B is what? Tell me, Ayush. What is A union B?
Sir.
What is A union B here? Think about it.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, you don't know. Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
what is A union B here?
Sir,
If
A
U is
union-
universal set and these are A and B,
Yes, sir.
so A union B is what?
Sir, A union B is like the intersection between them. Like,
No.
wait. Sir, A union B is A
This
and B.
shaded portion. Let's
Yes,
this one. Yes, A union B is what? A union B is what? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
This is your A union B. Everyone. A union B is what? Definition of A union is what? Collection of elements of A, collection of all elements. This is your union. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? This is
Yes,
your
sir.
A union, collection of A as well as collection of. Now, let's say this is your universal U, and let's say this is your A set. Mhm. That this is your universal set, and wait a minute. Let's say this is your A set and this is B set. So what is intersection B? A intersection B is what? A intersection B is the common portion. Yes,
Yes, sir.
this portion. This is A intersection. It is the definition of A intersection. Collection of A as well as B. Yes or no? Next one. Let's say is your universal set, and let's say this is your A and your B. So what will be A minus B? A minus B is what?
Sir, portion of A
Portion of A which
minus
does not belongs to intersection. Yes,
B.
this A must be yes or no? This will be your A minus B. Now what will be B minus A? B minus A. B minus A is this one. Yes. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A minus and B minus A. A minus B is white portion, and let's say this is what? This is, let's say, let's say green, maybe green, or what is that color? Okay, this is what? This is B minus A. Okay, A minus B and B minus A. Now, again assume that this is your universal set, and this A and B subsets. Okay, so what will be A union B intersection A union B intersection A? Tell me. Nikit, what is A union B intersection A? What is A union B intersection A, Nikit? Mm-hmm. Dhruv, you tell me what is A union B intersection A? Can you
Hello,
hear me
sir.
or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Okay. Yeah. What is A union B intersection A?
So A union B is like the part which is getting intersected, and then no, okay, wait. A union B is like the shaded region of A and B
Yeah.
together, the whole circle, and
Mhm.
that union A, it is equal to A.
Basically, this is what? This is written as A. Yes or no? Do you people know about the distributive property? Yes, remember?
Yes,
What is
sir.
distributive property? Distributive property is what? A intersection B union C is what? Sir, A intersection B union A intersection C. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now A union B intersection A is what? We know intersection is a commutative property. Yes, follow the commutative property. So this will become what? This will become A intersection A union B. Yes or no? Yes. If this set is, let's say, C, then C intersection A is what? A intersection C. Yes. Now
Yes,
this
sir.
will become what? This will become A intersection A union A intersection B.
Yes.
Yes. Now A intersection A is what? A intersection A is A itself union A intersection B. Now what is A union A intersection B? A union A intersection B is what? A is this part, whole part A, and this is A intersection B. So union is what? A set itself? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the Venn diagram of this diagram is this one. Got it, everyone? Now, next is proof of some properties using Venn diagram. First proof is your distributive proof. Distributive proof is what? A intersection B union. Yes, intersection B union C is what? This is A intersection B union A intersection C. Yes. So now LHS is what? Using Venn diagram. LHS is what? LHS is, we have a universal set. This is your universal set. We have three sets A, B, and C. So this is your set. Let's use A. Let's use some another color for B. This is your set B. and let's say this is your set C. Okay, this is set A, this is your set B, so this is your set C. Now tell me, first of all, we have to solve bracket. Yes, so B union C is what? B union C is this portion. This portion. Yes. Yes or no? This whole portion. Yes or no? Anybody? B union C. B union C is what? This portion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The area enclosed by white and red part is, red circle is your B union C. And the intersection with A is what? Then intersection A is with this part. Yes or no? So left hand side is one. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Left hand side is this part. Yes. Left hand side. Now, again, make your universal
Yes,
set
sir.
and subsets and for right hand side. So, for right hand side, this is universal set. This is set. This is your set B, and let's say this is your T. This is A, this is B, this is C. So now tell me, right hand side is what? Right hand side is A intersection B. A intersection B is what? A intersection B is this one. Yes. And union of A intersection C. A intersection C is what? A intersection C is this portion. Yes or no? Any doubt in this? So union of both is what? Union of both is this common portion. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So left hand side and right hand side are same in both the Venn diagrams. So it means these equalities, yes, U diagram. So this is the proof for your property, distributive property using Venn diagram, that A intersection B union C is A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay.
Sir, what statement do we have to write?
What?
So what kind of statements do we have to write?
No statement. There is no statement. Okay. There is only diagrams. Okay. You can write like this, that B intersection C is what? For right hand side, that B intersection C is what? The shaded portion, this one, the orange shaded portion. Okay. And A intersection C is what? A intersection C is your green shaded portion. So union of both is this one. You can say like this. Okay. Or write like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next one is, you have to prove that A minus B union A intersection B is equal to A using Venn diagram. You have to prove this one using Venn diagram. I'm giving you threads. All of, please prove this one. A minus B union A intersection B is equal to A set using Venn diagram. Okay. 2 minutes, 3 minutes to solve this. Lakshanya Suresh. Suresh, you are new student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have watched my previous lectures? Lecture
Yes,
number
sir.
1
I
and
watched. Yes.
okay.
Sir, done.
Done. So LHS is what? Let's say this is my universal set. Yes. And let's say this is your A set and this is your B set. So A minus B is this portion. Yes, denoted by lines, line segments. And A intersection B is what? Let's say this is denoted by dots. Okay, so this is your A intersection B. Yes. Yes or no? So union is what? Union is this whole set. Union is this whole set. Because union is what? Union is either this or this. So A union B is equal to A itself. Yes or no? This is very simple one. So A minus B union A intersection B is equal to what? This is equal to A. Anybody have any doubt? In set theory, we can prove things in two ways. One is Venn diagram, using Venn diagram, and another one is your analytical method. Okay. Analytical method is little bit tough. So you can use Venn diagram.
सर कहाँ सर कहाँ गए?
Hello, 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 hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Sorry. I'm sharing screen here. So what is analytical way? What is analytical way to this thing? So two sets are equal. We know two sets are equal when both are subsets of each. Yes or no? Two sets are equal when both are subsets of each other. Yes or no? Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So two sets are equal when? Two sets are equal when they are subsets of each other, yes? So if we have to show left hand side is equal to right hand side, so we have to show that every element from set A belongs to element of from right hand side, yes or no? We have to take any general element from this set, any x belongs to A minus B union of A intersection B, and we have to show that x belongs to A, yes or no? Then this set must be subset of A set. Yes or no? Ayush, Dhruv, Laksh, Niket. So how to show that? Let's say x belongs to this one. So if x belongs to A minus B, if x belongs to A minus B union A intersection, it means what? It means x belongs to A minus B or A section B. Yes. So now what? Now x belongs to A minus B. A minus B means x belongs to A, but x does not belongs to B. Yes or no? Or x belongs to this, so means x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? If x belongs to A minus B union A intersection B, it means what? It means x belongs to either A minus B or A intersection B. Yes. If x belongs to A minus B, then x belongs to A, but x does not belongs to B. Or if x belongs to A intersection B, it means x belongs to A and x belongs to B also. Yes. From this, we can conclude that x belongs to what? X belongs to A. Yes or no? X must belongs to A. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it means what? It means we already shown that if x belongs to this set, then x belongs to A. It means what? It means A minus B union A intersection B is what? This is subset of A. Yes, because x is what? X is an arbitrary element. And if x is an arbitrary element, then for every x, if x belongs to given set this, then x belongs to A also. It means this set is subset of A. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Next one. Now let's say x belongs to A. Now we are showing that A is subset of A minus B union A intersection B. Now let us assume x belongs to A. If x belongs to A, it means either x belongs to A minus, this is the symbol of minus, okay? This is the symbol of minus, subtracting two sets. A minus A intersection B or A intersection B. You know? Yes, if x belongs to A, the x belongs to either A minus A intersection B or A intersection B. Yes. This shows what? This shows that x belongs to, this means A minus B or A intersection B. It means x is what? X is your A minus B or union A intersection B. So if for arbitrary x which belongs to A, we are able to show that x also belongs to this set, it means A is what? A is your subset of this set. A minus B union A intersection. It means what? If A is subset of this and this is subset of A, it means both are equal sets. Yes? A is equal to A minus B union A intersection B. Okay? Okay. So this analytical method is little bit tough. So you can use Venn diagram to prove your properties. Okay. Next one. First question. A part. Anindya, you will tell me that find the union. You will tell me the union of A part. Anindya. Solution for A part for union. Union B is what? Anindya. Okay. Prahlad,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is A union B for
Sir, A union B is equal to a set of 4. तो पहले तो 1 से लेकर 7 तक ले लेते हैं, 1 to 7. Then we go on by 8, 12, 16 and it goes on.
So 8, 12, 16 and so on. Okay. 1 to 7 and then 8, 12, multiple of 4s. Yes, multiple of 4 are 4, 8. 4 is already here. So next number is 8 and so on. So what is A intersection B? Nikit, you will tell me for first part what is the intersection?
What? 8,
4. 4, 8.
12,
12. And
Not 4.
A intersection B is what? 4, 8, 12 and
so 16.
16 and 16 and only 4 elements? Okay, Dhruv. What is A intersection B for first part? A intersection B. A intersection B for first part.
There is set of a natural number. Multiples of- Sir, A intersection B will be 4 and 16.
4 and
One.
16. Okay, 1.
And 2.
1 and 2. Okay.
And yes, sir. And sir, wait, multiples of 4, yeah, sir. 4 table. 4, 16.
4, 16 and then 12 and so on. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Ayush,
Yes, sir.
what is intersection?
Yes, sir.
What is intersection in first part? Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
is it 4, sir?
Only one element?
4 and 4,
4 and
6.
6. 6 is not a multiple of 4.
Oh, sorry. 4 and 8.
4 and 8. Okay. Only 2 elements?
I think so, sir. I'm not sure.
Prahlad, your answer is correct. Okay. So, what is the meaning of intersection, Nikit? What is meaning of intersection of two sets?
So common elements of
So
the two
common
sets.
elements. Common elements of two sets. So tell me, what are the elements of A? What are the elements of A? Natural numbers and multiple of 4.
Sir, I got the answer.
So
Sir, I
4,
got the
8,
answer.
4, 8, 12, 16 and so on till infinity. Yes. So what will be the element of B?
sir, all the numbers
Sir,
from 1 to 7.
1 to 7. Yes, very good. So how many elements are 1 in A and B?
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, the answer for this question will be set A.
Set A.
Yes, sir, because set A contains in set B. Oh, wait.
Intersection means
Sir.
a common element. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. So common elements of set A will be also there. Yes, sir. Like natural numbers, and then all of the elements of set A will be in the natural numbers
Yeah.
set B. So the answer should be set A. Yes, sir.
What is B? B is natural number less than 8. Not collection of all natural numbers.
Oh, okay.
B contains only 7 elements, 1 to 7.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
If B is collection of all natural number, then answer will be A for A intersection B. Yes.
Yes, sir. Now, yes.
But now we have restriction that numbers in B are less than 8. So common elements are what? Common elements are only 4.
4 and 8, sir. Okay,
Not
8
8.
is not there.
Not
Yes,
here. So common elements are what? Only 4. So A intersection B is what? Singleton. Yes or no? Everybody. A intersection B is what? A intersection B is singleton 4. Prahlad, very good. Your answer is correct. Ayush, now got it? Okay. Tell me the second part, B part. X is a natural number natural number and lying between 10 to 26, and B is your set collection of natural number 14 to 18. So what is union? Tell me the union. Dhruv will tell me it is union for second part.
So union for second part is sir 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No. Why 1, 2? Union means what?
Sir, like the elements.
Belongs to A or either belongs to B.
Yes, sir.
So is there any one in A or B? Is one belongs to A? One is one member of set A? No. A is what? All natural numbers lying between
Okay.
10 to 26, where 10 is excluded and 26 is included here. And B is what? B is collection of all natural numbers lying between 14 and 18. So tell me, what is A union B?
Sir, can I tell?
Hmm?
Sir, can I tell? It is from
Haan,
11 to 26.
Yeah. It is?
It is from 11 to 26, sir.
Very good.
A
Very
union.
good. Very good. Basically, it is set A. Yes or no? Lakshanya?
Yes, sir.
It is basically set A. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So 11, 12 and till
26.
26. Very good. Everybody. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Write properly that what is A, what is B. Then find their elements. What is A intersection B here? What is A intersection B?
The numbers from 15 to 17.
Yes. 15, 16 and 17. Basically set B is your A intersection B. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Set B is what? Set B is A intersection B. Now, C part. Laksh, C part is what? A is ABC and B is empty. What is A union B?
Sir, it is A, B, and C.
A, B and C. Basically, this is A set, yes? Okay. Nikit, you will tell me the intersection B. What is A intersection B? Nikit? Ah, very good, very good. A union B is this, yes. Nikit? Can you hear me? Nikit? Nikit Raj?
Yes, sir. Yes.
A intersection B in C.
Sir, 5.
5. Very good. Please do your homework regularly. Okay. Next one is this one. If A is this, B is this, C is this, D is this, find A minus B. So first part will tell me Ayush. Ayush, tell me A minus B is what? Hello, Ayush? You are not audible. Okay. Lakshanya, tell me.
Yes,
What
sir.
is
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Uh,
What is A minus B?
10.
A minus B is what? First of all, tell me what is the definition of A minus B? Ayush.
A set minus B set.
A set minus B set. So A set minus B set is a set, yes?
Yes.
What kind of elements in A minus B?
Elements which are common in both A set and B
Na,
set.
na, that is intersection.
Oh.
Elements, comments of A and B are intersection. Okay. Dhruv, you tell me what is A as B?
Sorry, your mic is glitching.
Prahlad, A minus B is what?
The all terms in set A excluding 10.
Excluding B, basically. Yes, 10. But A minus B is what? A minus B is collection of all elements in A but does not belongs to B. Okay. So elements in A are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. And now we have to collect A minus B means collect all the elements of A which are not in B. So these elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 14. Yes or no? Which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Laksh, you'll tell me A minus C.
Yes, sir. A minus C is 2, 4, 8, 10, and 14.
2, 4, 8, 10, and 14.
10
Very
and
good.
14.
Very good. Third, Nikit, you will tell me A minus D. Nikit, A minus D.
Sir, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Sir, 12, not 14, sir. Up to 12.
Yes, very good. Very good. Fourth one, B minus A. Dhruv, now you will tell me B minus A is what?
Sir, where is the fourth one?
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. B minus A is
Belongs to B but does not belongs to A.
A. Yes, sir.
So elements
Sir,
are
all the elements 5, 15, 20, 25,
very good.
30.
Very good. Okay. C minus A. Nikit. C minus A.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
30,
18, 24 and 30. Okay. Sixth one. That is sixth one. Prahlad, you will tell me 6. D minus A. Prahlad. D minus. Okay, your mic is not working. Okay, no problem. Ayush, your turn. That what is D minus A?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, 7, 21, and 28.
Yes, 7, 21 and 7, 28. Very good. 7, 21 and 28. Now next one is 7th B minus C. Lakshya. B minus C.
Yes, sir. It is 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25.
Very good. 5 to 25. Yes, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Except 30, all the elements. B minus D. Nikit. B minus D. Sorry. B minus D.
Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30.
Basically, B minus D is a B. Yes? Yes or no? B minus D is what? B minus D is B. What is C minus B? Ninth. C minus B. Dhruv, you'll tell me what is C minus B.
Sir, C minus B is so 6, 12, 18, 24, and yeah, that's it.
That's it. X. 10th part, Laksh, you'll tell me what is D minus B.
Sir, D minus B is D. 7, 14, 20.
D minus B is D itself. Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Prahlad, your mic.
Yes, sir.
Prahlad. C minus D. C minus D. Okay. C minus D is what?
Sir, C itself.
C minus D is what? C itself. Okay. Okay, very good. Now 12th part, this is for Ayush. Let D minus C is what?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, 7, 21, 28.
7, 20, 14 is not here, huh? D minus C. So it means 14 belongs to C. Is 14 belongs to C?
Oh, no, sir. Sorry.
So D minus C is what? D itself, yes?
Yes.
Okay. So now we know union, intersection and complement, or we know how to prove things using Venn diagram. Okay. So next is your complement of a set. Okay. What is the meaning of complement? Let's say if U be your universal set, let's say U be your universal set and A is any subset of U. Using Venn diagram also telling you here that this is your universal set and let's say this is your set. Okay, let's say this is A. So complement of A is what? Complement of A is a set which is a collection of all the elements of universal set except the elements of A. Means this. Yes. Collecting all the elements in universal set except the elements of A. Okay. A complement is generally denoted as A dash, or you can use AC also. A complement. Okay. A complement, A superscript C. A complement. It is what? It is collection of all X such that X belongs to universal set and X does not belongs to A. So this is your complement of a set. Yes. Or you can say this is your complement of set with respect to universal set. Okay, complement of set A with respect to universal set. Got it? For example, let's say you have U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and till let's say 12. And A set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So what is A complement? A complement is what? A complement is collection of all universal set except set all collection of all elements in universal set except the elements of A. So A complement is what? A complement is 1, 2 is here, so remove 2, so we'll get 3, then 5, then 7, then 9 and then 11. Yes or no? Yes or no? So basically we can say complement is nothing but complement is U minus of A. Yes or no? Complement is nothing but complement is universal set minus A set. Yes. Similarly, we can say that A minus B is what? Sir, A minus B is collection of all X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Yes. So we can say A minus B is what? A minus B is complement of A. Sorry, A minus B is what? Complement of B with respect to A. Yes or no? Complement of B with respect to A. U minus A is what? U minus A is complement of A with respect to U. So A minus B is what? A minus B is complement of B with respect to A. Yes or no? Any doubt in this? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now properties of complement of sets. Let's say we have U as our universal set. Okay, let U is your universal set and A is your set. So A complement is what? What is the complement of A?
Is A?
It's A. So can you prove this part, that complement of A is A itself? Yes or no? Laksha? Complement of A is A itself. Can you prove?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay, try. Using Venn diagram, it is very simple. Yes. Using Venn diagram, it is very simple that A complement of A complement is A itself. This is your first property, that A complement is A. This is known as law of double complementation. This is known as law of double complementation. And proof is what? Proof is, let's say this is your universal set. Let's say this is your set. So complement of A is what? Complement of A is this shaded portion. Yes? Using line segments. So complement of shaded portion is this one, this dotted part. Yes or no? And this dotted part is what? This dotted part is your set A. So complement of complement is A, which is known as law of double complementation. Okay. Next one. A union A dash. Ayush will tell me what is A union A dash. What is A union A dash? Ayush, can you hear me? Okay. Nikit,
Set is U.
U. Okay. Yes. What it is? U. Basically universal set. Why? Because let's say this is your universal set and this is your A. So A is this one and A complement is this one. So union of both is your complete universal set. Yes. So this is your complete universal set. Next is A intersection A dash is what? Dhruv will tell me that what is A intersection A dash, complement of A.
Sir, can you repeat your question again?
What is A intersection A complement?
Sir, universal set.
No.
So 5.
Phi.
Phi. It's phi. What is A dash? A dash is what? A dash is collection of all universal elements except belongs to A. Yes. Collection of all universal elements from universal set which does not belongs to set A. And intersection means common elements. So A dash having elements which does not belongs to A. So it means intersection is what? Empty set. Yes. So this is known as complement law. Both rules are known as complement laws. Next is Prahlad will tell me what is phi dash. What is phi dash? Prahlad. Phi dash is
P itself.
phi
Sorry, sir.
itself. No,
No, sir. Universal set.
U set. Yes. Phi dash is U set. So this is law of empty set. Okay, law of empty set. Next one is u dash is what? Laksh will tell me that u dash is what?
Sir, it is 5.
Is 5. This is known as law of universal set. Okay, law of universal set. Any doubt in these 4 laws or 4 properties? No. Okay, next is very important, that is known as De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. That A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This is De Morgan's law. Okay. And second De Morgan's law is A intersection B complement whole complement is equal to A complement union complement. Okay. A union B complement is A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. How to read this? That it means what? That complement of union of 2 sets. This is what statement for this is. Complement of union of 2 sets is equal to intersection of their complements. Yes. De Morgan's law is what? De Morgan's law is complement of union of 2 set is equal to intersection of their complements. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one is what? Next one is complement of intersection of 2 sets is equal to union of their complements. Okay. Complement of intersection of 2 sets is equal to union of complements of union of their complements. Okay. Proof using Venn diagram. Okay. We'll prove it using Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram. So let's say I'll do first and you will try second one. This is universal set. Let's say this is for left hand side, your B. This is A and this is B. Okay, LHS. So A union B is what? A union B is this portion, yes? This portion is A union. Complement is what? Complement of A union B is what? Complement of A union B is this portion. So now complement. Any doubt in LHS part? Are you okay? Okay. RHS part is what? A dash intersection B dash. So let's say this is my universal set, and this is my A, and this is my B. This is A set and this is B set. Let's denote A complement by white color. So what is A complement? A complement is this one. Yes. A complement is this one. Okay. Now let's draw B complement using some another color. Let's say yellow one. B complement is what? B complement is this one. So is this one. Yes, the yellow portion. So intersection is what? Intersection is where both the colors present? Yes, both the colors are present in this portion. This portion. Yes or no? Colors which is equal to your left hand part. Okay, so it means A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash using Venn diagram. This is the proof. Now try second one. I'm giving 2 minutes. Try this one. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Please try this one. Very, very important rule. No. One minute is left. Okay. Anybody have any doubt in second part? Ayush, Dhruv, Laksh, Niket, Prahlad, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Using Venn diagram, proof is very easy. Okay, so you can use different colors to show A intersection B and A dash union B dash. Okay. Next one is your question, and the question is, if U is your universal set, find the complement of the following sets. So first question for Prahlad, what is your answer for this one? First for Prahlad, second for Ayush, third for Dhruv, and fourth for Laksh.
The answer is 4 to 8.
4 to 8, very good. Complement of A is what? Complement of A is collection of all U except A. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayush, next one is
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 8.
very good. 1, 3, 8. Next one for Dhruv. 1, 3, 5, 7. Complement is
Sir, 2, 4.
6 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I guess. Yes, sir, I told.
Laksh, D. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Sir, 4, 6, 7, 8.
4, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, next question for Nikit. This is for Nikit, first part. Next for Ayush. Next for Laksh. Then for Dhruv. And then Prahlad. Okay, Nikit. Taking set of natural number as your universal set, write down the complement of the following sets. So your universal set is what? Universal set is your natural numbers. Yes, collection of all your natural numbers. So x is an even natural number. So
Sir, all
what
the
is
odd natural numbers.
basically we can write x such that x is what? X is odd natural number. Yes. Yes, Nikit. This is your complement. Let's say this is a complement. Ayush, you will tell me roster form of this set. Complement of this. Tell me the roster form of complement of this set.
Sir, it should be an even number.
Basically 2. This is roster form. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Laksh, you will tell me set builder form for this complement.
So x is such that x belongs to a natural number, and x is not the positive multiples of 3.
Okay. Here you don't need to say that x belongs to natural. Yes, because we have our universal set as number. Okay. Statement is correct, but we don't need to say that this belongs to natural. Okay. So x such that x is what? X is not a multiple, not a multiple, no positive multiple of, not a positive multiple of 3. Next one for Dhruv, and you will tell me the roster form of this complement. X is a prime number, so what will be the complement?
Sir, x is a prime number.
So complement is
So
what?
x is to x, where it is a composite number.
Yeah, very good. Basically, not a composite. Actually, you said that x is not a prime number. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because in this complement we get 1, and 1 is neither composite nor prime. Okay, so saying that x is a composite number is not a good one. We have to say that x is not a prime number. Okay, everybody, here x is not a composite number. You have to say that x is not a prime number. Okay, if you say that x is a composite number, a complement of this set, so in our set, in complement 1 does not belongs to that complement. Okay, so if x is a prime, complement is x is not a prime. So roster form is what? 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and so on. Yes, so this will be a roster form. Last question for Prahlad. X is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Tell me the complement in set builder form. No, sorry, roster form.
Then x will be a number which is not a multiple of 3 or 5.
Yeah,
Then the answer is 1, 2,
very good,
4,
very good, very good.
and it goes on.
It goes on. Next
All
number
these
is what?
numbers excluding the multiples of 3 and 5.
Very good.
And
Very
prime
good.
number.
1, 2, 4. Next is not 6. That one is 7. Yes,
7.
and so on. Okay, everyone. Next is what? Next is some real life problem for union and intersection of sets. To solve these problems, we have to discuss three formulas here, three important formulas. That one is number of element. This says that number of element. Na means number of element in that. Yes, Na means number in that set. So number of element in A union B is equal to number of A plus number of element in B when A and B are disjoint sets. Let's say if we have A is equal to, let's say we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. And let's say B is equal to A, B and so number of element in A is equal to how much? Number of element in A. Number of element in A are 4, yes. Number of elements in B are 3. Now A union B is what? Laksh will tell me what is A union B. Lakshanya.
Yes, sir.
What
A
is it?
union B is 1 and ABC.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So number of element in A union B is
7.
number of in A B are 7. Yes. Are A and B are disjoint sets? A and B are disjoint sets? Yes. Why? Because A intersection B is what? A intersection B is empty set. We can say that A and B are disjoint sets. Yes or no? So A intersection B is what? A intersection B is empty. So we can say that A and B are disjoint sets. Then A union B, N of A union B is equal to what? Na plus Nb. Okay. Now, let's say if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So tell me N of A, number of element A, number of element in B, number of element in A intersection B, and number of element in union B. So tell me. Na, tell me, Ayush will tell me about Na, number of element in A.
Yes, sir.
So element
Yes, sir.
are how much?
1, 2,
Number of
3,
element
4.
in A. So value is 4. Number of elements are 4. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many elements? 4 elements are here. So number of elements in
Yes.
B.
Also 4.
Dhruv. Okay. 4. Dhruv will tell me about A intersection B. Number of element in A intersection B.
Sir, just a second.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
How many elements?
Sir, can you repeat your question?
Number of elements in how many elements in A intersection B? How many elements in A intersection B?
Sir,
First of all,
none.
tell me what is A intersection B.
Sir, it is like common elements from both of them.
Oh, so common elements are
None.
common elements in A and B are 2 and 4. Yes or no?
How, sir?
In A and B, 2 and 4 are the common
Oh.
elements.
Okay.
So how many elements in A intersection B? Only 2 elements. First element is 2, second element is 4. So number of element in A intersection B is 2. Yes. Nikit will tell me number of element in A union B. Nikit, number of element in A union B.
Sir, 6.
6. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes. So now Look carefully that NA union B is what? NA union B is number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. Yes or no? NA is what? 4. NB is what? 4. Minus NA intersection B is what? 2. So 4 plus 4 minus 2 is 6, which is N of A union B. Yes or no? So second formula is, first formula is NA union B is what? NA plus NB when A and B are disjoint sets. Second formula is NA union B is what? NA plus NB minus number of element in their intersection. Okay. Okay. And this is your C part. Third formula, that ABC are finite set, then union of ABC is equal to number of element in A, number of element in B, number of element in C minus number of element in intersection B minus number of element in B intersection C minus number of element in A intersection C and plus number of intersection of A, B and C. Okay. So what's the proof for C part? We'll discuss here. First of all, A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A. I'm writing here one statement that A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are mutually sets. Are mutually joint set. What it means? It means A minus B intersection A intersection B is what? This is empty. A minus B intersection B minus A, this is also empty. And A intersection B minus A, this is also empty. This is the meaning of mutually disjoint sets. A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are mutually disjoint sets. Proof for that is, let's say this is your universal set Q and this is your set A and this is your set B. Okay. So A minus B is what? A minus B is element are in A but not in B. So A minus B is this portion. Yes, A minus B is this one. Out in A minus B, anyone? Okay. A intersection B is your this part. Let's say this one. This is A intersection B. Yes or no? And what is B minus A? Let's say B minus A, black one. This is B minus A. So this is A minus B. This is A intersection B. And this is B minus A. Yes? Any doubt in this? Anyone? Dhruv, Ash. Lakshanya, sorry. No? Okay. So using this Venn diagram, we can say A minus B and A intersection B does not contain any common element. Yes? It means their intersection is an empty set. A minus B and A intersection B. This is true. Similarly for A intersection B and B minus A, this is also empty set. Similarly, A minus B and B minus A, this is also empty set. Intersection of both is empty set. Yes. So it means these three sets are mutually disjoint. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, your first formula is that NA union B is equal to A plus NB when both are disjoint. This is trivial one. Yes, NA plus NB when A and B are disjoint. This is trivial one. Yes, when A and B are disjoint, then union are what? Union are combination of both, and A union B having number of element in A plus number of element in B. Yes, this proof is very trivial. Now the first second is what? NA union B is equal to what? NA union B is A plus NB minus NA intersection B when A and B are not disjoint. Okay. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to prove this one using these concepts. Okay, that A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A are mutually disjoint, and you have to prove that A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. And we know that union of two disjoint set is what? Union of two disjoint set is sum of their number of elements, sum of number of elements in both sets, NA plus NB. So try this one. One minute. Okay. Anyone wants to tell me the proof of this second formula? Niket, Prahlad, Lakshanya, Dhruv. Anybody?
From the above results we have,
Mm-hmm.
we can prove that in this case, A union number of terms in A union B is equal to
Not number of terms, number of elements या members. Number of terms, no. Yeah.
the is equal to the ये जो सर हमारा ये प्रूव करना है हमें तो सर पहले
हाँ.
तो हम पहले हम इसे प्रूव करेंगे कि ये डिसजॉइंट सेट नहीं है।
नहीं, ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है। चलो मैं बता ही देता हूँ। ओके, मैं बताता हूँ। डिसजॉइंट प्रूफ करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, मतलब है या नहीं है। A union B can be written as A minus B union A intersection B union B minus. Yes or no?
Yes,
A
sir.
union B. This is the proof for this step, that A union B can be written as A minus B intersection union minus A. Yes. So here A union B can be written as A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A. And we know these are disjoint sets. Yes. So number of elements in A union B is number of element in A minus B plus number of element in A intersection B plus number of element in B intersection B minus A. Yes or no? Using first rule. Yes. Add NM intersection B here and subtract NA intersection B here. What we'll get? NA minus B NA intersection B. NA minus B NA intersection B or what? This is NA or not? Because A minus B and A intersection B are disjoint sets. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
hello. Yeah. So NA minus B plus NA intersection B is what? Similarly, NB A plus NA intersection B is what? This is NB. Yes, and minus NA intersection B as it is. So this is your formula, that NA union B is what? NA union B is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So this is your homework part to prove one, that NA union B union C is this one. Okay, this is your homework. You have to prove this one. In next class, now you can do exercise till exercise 1.5 in your NCERT and DP 1, 2 and 3. In next class, we will discuss some questions on real life problems. Okay. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Any doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, good night. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.